Hey guys, today we are going to discuss about multi-table valued function, MTVF. Okay. Hey guys. So, any idea what is the multi-table valued function? So, inline table value function we already see. So, any cases? So, we have already inline table value function. Why do you use multi-table valued function? Any cases? Yeah. Mhm. If you closely observe in our inline functions, okay. So is there any way I use more than one self statement in my inline function? No, in my previous example also. No, right? No, it's not possible. Yeah, it's not possible to write more than one self statement in inline. Okay, and I'm just writing. Okay. It's the same as inline table value function return. Yeah, what we return in table value function? Return a table as output or not, right? And so the only difference is, guys, in inline function we didn't write any columns or anything in our what we call in return data type. In returns, in just written as a returns table. So whenever we created multi-table function, we only need to put a column names. What are the column names you want to return as output? Okay, let me create, then we will understand. Okay. So MTF multi-table value function, the structure of table written from the function. Yeah, written the function is defined by users or not, that we need to put. Okay, whereas in table value function, yeah guys, table is defined by the select statement which we use in return in the body. So the only difference is in multi-table value function we need to create the structure while creating the function itself. Okay, so we see the syntax, then you will come to know. Okay. Hey guys, just tell me any idea about this one. So nothing. Create same function name. Okay. So return the parameters are the optional. If you want pause, that is your choice. Okay. Can someone please put on mute, please? Sorry. Error 2. Data type. And now you closely observe here what I'm writing. So earlier what I written by So in inline function, what I written here? Returns. Right. Now what I need to write? I need to, yesterday I discussed something table a table what you call table input. Did you remember user defined data type? User defined table data type. Did you remember that? The same. Yep. So now here we need to define anything. Same. Okay. Table. Inside this one, you need to mention what are the columns you want to retrieve. Something like column 1, column 2, so on, column n. Okay. Yes. So one more difference is there. It must contains begin and end. Whereas inline, this is not required, and we didn't use anywhere also, right? In inline function. Okay. Can someone please go? Okay. So, Naresh, can you please put on? Okay. Now good. Good. Thank you. So as begin function body return. So till you are clear, this is a syntax actually. This is a syntax for multi-value table function. Now we can see some examples, then you will come to know how we can use. Okay, guys are able to understand what I'm trying to write here. Nothing else. Okay, if you understand, it's okay. In table value, you just mention returns just table as a data type. We put some different name. See here we give earlier. Now what we need to go, we need to mention what are the columns you want to retrieve. So our definitions that should define in here itself in returns. Okay. Inside everything is same. Begin, function body, and return. So what we written earlier in return we write something, right? Next to return we write select statement here. Correct. In previous example, inline table value function. So now everything you can write between this one. Okay. Now we can see example, then you will come to know. Okay. So what we can take now. Sorry. So I'm creating one simple one. Create function. I'm going to change my DB. For example. Yeah. Create function. Some UDBO dot UDF get product UDF get product scrap something I'm writing. Okay. Or else we can take some example. 1 second. So yeah, tell me how can we write now? So first I'm not taking any what do you call parameters guys here. Tell me create function name. Yeah, guys, I'm not taking any parameters here. Just tell me what I'm writing here. Yeah, returns Yeah, returns, we need to put some table variable, right? So for that we take any something sales details or something as table. This is our no, this is user actually our in our own net. We can put it anything, but I'm returning as data as a table. Okay, inside table I'm putting some definition for the columns. Okay, this is our user choice, guys. You can put anything. Okay, returns, that is user choice, but this this column definition should must define by you. Okay, returns table. I'm just taking some contact ID as integer and product ID integer. Okay, then what we need, right? I said begin and end must should be as begin. Yes. So I'm just defining table. Now I'm doing something just observe. Okay, insert into what is my table here? Sales detail. Yes, I'm taking these details from sales order editor table and sales order detail. First, I will give you that table overview, then we'll come to select top and the stuff from sales dot sales order header. I'm just joining these two tables. Select. So by any chance, if you get confused or if you are unable to understand, please let me know. I will try to rewind again. Okay. Sales order detail. Okay. If you see here, what is the common between these two tables? Sales order ID or not? So, see, sales order ID, correct or not? Sales order ID and sales order ID. So I want to join these two tables and I want to insert some data just by using this function from sales dot sales order header ID. So message join sales dot sales order detail sd on sd dot. Yeah, guys, what is the common sales order ID and what is my main one, sales order ID. Okay, so return is a common and yeah. Now I want to take some columns here. How many columns I defined here? Contact ID and product ID. Two columns only, right? So I need to take yeah. So contact ID. So product ID is there, right? Yeah, product ID is there. So contact ID and product ID. Okay. Before that, we just try to execute this and listen to it. Okay, there is no contact ID. Yeah? Then we will take some If that contact is there, okay, let it be. We can take some different one. This one is a instead of contact, we can take customer ID. Okay. Okay. Before that, I just try to execute. Are you able to see some records or not? So we see some records here, right? So let's see, guys. So once I hit this, the table is, I mean, the function is created. So how can you execute the function? So let's start from it. Yeah, guys, tell me. See, did I mention anything? I just used only the insert statement, but automatically how it will come, because I mentioned here as a written as a table. It automatically system itself is taking its a select statement. That's why it's giving the results. So earlier we just put only returns whatever variable and the table inside here. One function is there, something returns inside everything we written as a, inside of returns, but I didn't mention returns here. The same thing I mentioned at the time of the creating function. The system itself is assuming it's a table and it should return with these two columns. Now clear this one. So same way we can write. So even if you discuss more examples, same like this only. Okay. Suppose if you want. Second. You will take one more example and we can close it out. So because this act as the same as the parameter, that parameters like is view. So in inline function, is there any possibility to return more than one function? It's not possible. The main difference is it should act as store procedure but not store procedure. When you created a multi-table like function, it acts as store procedure but not actually store procedure. Okay. So let me see one more and we can close it out. Okay. Same thing, we insert and suppose if you want to create one more. I'm just giving you guys, so just try to observe. Same, but it's accepting or not, I want to show you. Okay. Alter function. Okay. So now we just try to do some. So earlier we see 1,15,000 or something. Now we can see 2,42,000 or something, right? So are able to see that change? Guys, earlier it's like 1,50,000 or something. Okay. Otherwise we can do one thing. Customer ID to some different we can see. So the first is just check how many records here. 1,21,000 something. Okay. Now we can see this one. 64. Okay. So if you see your results, see something we got changed, right? 1,21,381. Earlier we see 2 lakh something. Now some records is came, right? So like this way you can use this multi-valued function. So I'm just giving you example. Is it possible to multiple what you call? So multiple cell statements are anything we can write inside multiple queries. Okay. So even you can do update as well here. So I just want to wherever the 707 is there, I want to put 799. Okay. Update. Okay. Yeah. Set. You have set product ID, right? Product ID equal to 790 something. Where product ID equal to 707. Okay. Just try to say this. Okay. The command is successful. See, it's got updated or not. I'm not doing any manual interruption outside. Okay. Got changed or not, guys? See, 799. So like this way, you can perform operations in some multi-table valued functions. So that's all. So what kind of operation you can perform? Either insert you can perform, update you can perform, even delete also you can perform or not. That also possible, right? So if you understand, it's okay. Let me suppose I want to delete something. Okay. So this may be useful, guys, when you have a larger data set. So the data is coming from a table, and if you don't want to use a temporary table and you want to store somewhere, you just use this multi-table value function. Okay, just join with your desired tables. Okay, it's easier now. Instead of storing somewhere, it's not storing anywhere. It just contains some data. Whenever you try to install, that time only it will give, right? Select delete. Yeah, tell me what is the syntax for delete? Delete from table. Yeah. Where product ID equal to product ID greater than 800. Okay. So try to execute this. So now just so why is that deleted 799? Because I am deleting greater than anything greater than 800. That's why the 799 it's gone. Okay. See, did you see anywhere like 800? I mean greater than 800. I am able to see till 800, right? If I put greater than or equal to, it will remove all. Right? Yeah, that's all for multi-table values. Um, even I'm forgetting multi-table valued functions. Okay. So what we can do? Same. We can see select statement. So, so we didn't see select. One more select we did, right? And we can see only insert is update C and delete. We'll see some select top list of from. That doesn't make sense, I guess, because sorry, maybe it doesn't make sense because anyway we are inserting in this table and same reiterating, right? That's not required. Okay. So is it enough, or do you discuss any more examples? I believe this is more than example. So if you maybe ask me, Naga, we want to pass one more parameter and we want to see, definitely you can see that. Then we can close. Okay. We will see one example with the parameter. Okay. How we can pass parameter. Okay. Create function dbo dot some one get some product scrap status. I'm passing some parameter here. Before that, I'm just creating all. Yeah, now you can tell me. Already I told you many times returns. Yeah, tell me guys what I need to put here. Some result table. That is your choice. Okay. Yeah, guys, I want to extract something from you. How can we write results table? And what I need to put here. Before that, I need to define table, right? Yeah. So yeah, you need to put your columns. Okay. Yeah. Begin. Okay. And what we call the return. And yeah. So inside we write something. So I want to take some columns here. So some product name as varchar of 50. Okay. And scrap quantity. Okay. Quantity. Okay. Some scrap quantity as float, something like float. Some reason. Varchar of 100. Status. Okay. Some status. Sorry. Scrap status. So n number of examples you will get, but if you understand the concept, the same. You will get everywhere is the same. Either in mostly what we do is in multi-table function, either inserts or updates. Okay. Anyways, the select statement no need to write because it's returning here itself, right? Whatever columns you want, the same result you're returning. No need to write the select statement inside. Got it? Because it automatically taking system itself when you define returns. Uh, the name the table, it automatically system knows. So okay, they want to return some records from this table. That's it. Will be results. Okay. Now we can see actual query you need to write here. What I need to write? Insert into what is my table here? This is table. Yeah. Now I need to write some select statements here. Okay. Before that, I want to see the table. Okay. So the first thing, guys, in real time also while creating functions, first you need to check plain query is outside of the function. Just try to see what are the results coming, and the same you can put it in your body of the function. Okay, that's why I'm writing here. Okay, select from what is the table name product production dot product. Okay, P. I want to see one more table. Select production dot grab reason, right? Huh. If you know how to construct queries, then it will be easy for you. Okay. Just tell me what is the join between these two tables? No, I'm just asking. So you need to take one more table and see. Okay. I will. Now we are taking multiple joins. Okay. Top and top from collection dot what is called. Even these I'm getting from Google as well, guys. But because I'm just trying to explain. Okay. So now you just tell me what is the join between these three on these three tables. From work order and product, is there a product ID is there? So if you see product order and product, what is the common between here? Product ID and product ID. Correct. So again, the scrap reason and the work sorry, scrap reason and work order. What is the common here? Scrap reason ID. Because right here is a scrap reason ID and a scrap reason ID. Now you can tell me how can you build this join. So I'm giving you this is a challenge for you. Now just see. Select. You guys tell me from PW. Now I want to take inner join or anything you can take. Okay, inner join. Yeah. What I need to first join, right? Inner join P on P dot product ID equal to what you call PW dot product ID or not. Right. Now again inner join. What is my other table? Scrap reason, right? PS on PS dot scrap reason ID. Yep. PW dot what is my scrap reason ID only, right? Okay. Okay. Now our table is ready. And what is the columns I want to take here? P name, product name, quantity, reason, scrap status. Now you can tell me what you need to take. Product name from product table, right? Quantity from work order. Correct or not? Reason for so reason. See, you tell me you're telling something. No, scrap status or reason we can take from this one. Okay. See, order quantity or stock quantity, anything you can or scrap quantity. That is our issue. But scrap quantity can take scrap quantity from work order, right? So now we can see what you are trying to do. Select. So why I'm taking the scrap status as because I want to update as well. I want to give you it to one line short. That's why. Okay. First, I will put as a null for this one. Okay, then you can see what you call it. First, you will construct a query, then you will see. Okay, first I need to take p dot name, right? Correct or not? P dot name. Then sum of what is the quantity from where is the quantity? Scrap quantity. Where is there? Yeah, we have scrapped quantity or not? Scrap. Okay, scrap QTY. Okay. Then last one, we need to take PS dot name, right? Correct or not? So here why I'm getting error. So okay, PW dot column is correct or not? Oh, no, it's good. Okay. And I want to take as a null. Now we just see. So the query construction is important, guys. How you write the function and all the syntax you will get everywhere. But what we need to achieve, that is the important thing. Okay. And the scrap, because here the scrap reason ID I see many nulls. What I need to do now? I want to see only is not null. Yeah, tell me, how can you write that one? Scrap reason. Sorry. Yeah, guys. Reason ID is Naresh. Day before yesterday, you asked me one question. Here column is there the table and this table is there. How can you put? Now, if you try to execute, what we see? Ambiguous column or not? Guys, are you able to see ambiguous column name? That's why I need to mention the alias table name. What is my alias table name? Is here PW. Okay. Cap reason ID is not null. When I take some aggregate function, what I need to do? I want to use group by or not? Yeah, group by p dot name, comma, and I want to take that what it called ps dot name as well, right? Now we can see. Sorry. Now we just try to execute this. See, some values came or not? The last column by default itself I mentioned as a null. See, some values are there, right? Right. The same values I need to insert into our result table. So what I need to do now? Just try to cut here, paste it here. See, now it's a simple or not? Because once you know how to query construct a query, that will be easy for you or not? Guys, till here, are you able to understand what I'm trying to do here? Now, I want to update my status, scrap status. Just see, update. Huh. You guys tell me. Update table name, set. Because what is the column name? Scrap status equal to. Yeah, tell me what I need to do. I'm writing something. Okay. So case nothing, guys. Suppose my sum. So I want to pass something here, right? Inside. Sorry, I didn't define it. Scrap level. Nothing, guys. I want to pass something. Okay, I want to pass some parameter. Okay, so the based on the parameter, I'm setting status. This one. I'm just updating. So suppose the sum of quantity. Okay, suppose here 206 in our result set. Suppose if I pass 2006 greater than 2006, I want to see status as a critical, otherwise a normal. Okay, how can you write that one? Suppose what we call this one, sum of scrap greater than scrap commit level. Okay, just observe guys. Sum of quantity greater than scrap commit level, then it should be critical, otherwise normal. How can you write? I want to hear you from guys. Can you use case statement? Can you use case statement or not? So suppose my quantity greater than whatever I pass the parameter value, then it should print as critical. Otherwise, it's a normal. What is there any alternate way? I want to ask you. Simply you can use case statement, right? Case when. So what is our scrap quantity here? The column name, right? Yes. The column quantity. Okay. Case when greater than what is our parameter here? Yeah. Now I want to print something. How can I print? Then guys, you forget or what? Everything critical. That's why practice is important. Okay. Else, yeah. Tell me else. Normal. End. Then critical. Else. So what I'm trying to do here, are you able to understand, right? Suppose I'm getting some results in my result set, so I want to compare whatever I passed in my function. So if it's a greater than our result set values, then it should print as critical. Critical in my status column, status column. Otherwise, it should be normal. Clear till here? So now see the intelligence of this. So the command successfully completed. Okay. Now what you need to write? Select star from. Hmm? Tell me here. Okay. I want to put some random value 200. Okay. See, see guys, change it or not. 200 I mentioned. 200 is greater than 2. I mean, 200 is greater than 200 or not. So critical care. Just for understanding purpose. Okay. So alter. Okay. Now just see. Now we are able to see, right? Wherever this changes, right? So like this, we can use multi-table value function. Guys, I kindly request you please practice the scalar, these three scalar, inline, and the table value function. Okay. So these are actually important ones. So mostly you won't use because this is a performance killer. So multi-table value functions you won't use. Either scalar functions or different. So for this kind of thing you use this or something. But why we are discussing this? And this is the concept. So sometimes it's required, even though performance is low, you want some desired results, right? That's why we use this one. Okay. So now we hope we cleared everything. I think these are more than enough, I think. Controllers. So now we can discuss what is the difference between function and store procedure. That's the entry question, guys. Multi-table value function. So tomorrow we will discuss views. Okay. So what is the multi-table function? Okay, I'm saving this one. Yeah, now we can discuss about notepad label. Yeah, tell me. Yeah. Uh-huh. Where do you use alternate way? So yeah, that's why yeah, best practice. So I can say the store procedures. So if you observe this one closely, we discuss about store procedures also. Same thing we perform operations, right? Same thing. Store procedure I suggest. But thing is, I'm just giving you just overview. So how many types of functions there, and I'm just trying to explain the things. That's it. So my suggestion would be either you go for store procedure. Yeah, performance. That's it. So before, no. Yeah, same thing. So Yeah, that depends vary to vary. Most of time we use stored procedure only. So that is a performance a better way. And thing is, so before 2017, when you create a table valued function also, the performance are very low. From 2017 version onwards, they did something. I mean, they updated some inside statics and all. Now it's a better. But I would suggest to go to stored procedure. Thing is, same thing you can perform in stored procedure, right? I'm just giving you heads up. How can you do this? Okay. But thing is, here only one thing did you observe or not? They're not storing a table anyway. It's just carrying only the function. Whenever you hit that the select statement, that time only you able to see the results. So which means we are not storing anywhere. The data not storing in our disks or anywhere, right? Ideally, you're saving something. So instead of temporary table, this is also one of the alternate way. So suppose if you take a temporary table till that particular time, it will be there. But when you take this, what you call it, table valued, multi-table valued function, it should carry until unless you use that. Some results you are getting, right? It will be only useful for insert subtraits and all. So that's it. Now we can discuss about difference between functions and stored procedures. Hey guys, any idea? I want to hear from. Hey guys, did you? So as you know, we see many examples and all. So just let me know. Oh, any difference that you find as of now? So I want to hear from you guys. So, okay. So did you clearly notice the main the main difference is the function returns the data type or return from type. Okay. So better I can write in some notepad. Yeah. So if you observe, as of now, we discuss about functions. Okay. So function must return some data type or some type, right? Either it's a table or some data type, system data type or something. Correct? Function as a function should have a return value. Whereas topos is not required, right? But instead of that, what we use in store procedure? Out parameter, out parameter, out. So, so that a procedure a proc doesn't have return type, but it returns in returns in out parameter. Okay. Yeah. Any apart from this, anything? What is the no, it's also pre-compiled. Thing is only we cannot perform DML operational functions. So now we just discuss. Oh, I'm just talking about this one. Let me think. So in select statement, we just write only the function, but we cannot update or something, right? Inside function, we see a multi-table valued function. So we discuss transactions is not possible. That's what transactions is possible. Transactions, role, commit, transactions is all are not possible in functions. Okay, transactions are not possible. So managing transaction, managing transaction inside STRURCURE is possible. Anything that we can do in table valued functions, joins is possible. Okay, so we cannot call store procedure in function. Okay, but it's a possible in store procedure. Okay, inside, suppose if you write a store procedure inside select statement, we can call it as a function, right? Yeah, calling functions from store procedure is possible. Yeah, anything you observe? And one more thing. Okay. So select statement, select statement you can call it right. Select statement possible to calling function, but store procedure is not possible, right? We cannot call store procedure. Select statement. Yeah. So and what are the okay? Anything? No. So is there any possible to what you call exception handling? Functions not possible. Okay. So we didn't discuss about exception handling, right? Try catch. Okay. Exception handling. Possible. Store is possible. Fully try catch blocks. Okay. And what else? Is there anything? Okay. So it supports in and out. Sorry. It's only accepts in parameter, right? But in store procedure, both we can use, right? Yeah, these all are main difference between function and so maybe if I miss something, you can Google it and you get it. Okay. So function versus. So these all are actually main. So, but if you find something, then definitely you can add to this section. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's it. Tomorrow we will discuss about use and error handling and all. Use it won't take much time. Okay. Yeah, thank you, guys. We will connect it tomorrow and we will discuss. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah. Bye.